Everywhere is flooded. In the rooms, nowhere to pass. Oh my God! I think it's better you park your car outside. I guess.
Where would they park them? Can't be doing this.
It is. Eh? Yeah, it is a park outside because at the point this may not be able to. I mean, here you don't know where.
See block. Just listen at the high. Na high ground. You see where block. You see where the dam stay.
Kim how the put
When the thing you go out first.
I
concern now is everything.
It's carrying. This is a lagoon now. You don't know where it's even. I mean, the drainage again. That one will be another. Oh my God. Well, if you succeed in taking it out today, then you find a way of parking it elsewhere. I don't know where is the drainage. Where is it? Okay. So this is the gutter, right? So the next.
Inside your bag.
Okay. Let me just arrange myself. If not. Oh my goodness.